Clients and interior designers think that builders are lying to them because they're like, oh, why does it have to go in this order? And builders know their order. And so when they tell someone like, oh, the cabinets need to go in first, then it's the appliances, and then the sink, and then the fixtures, etc. And there's a method to the madness. I swear, someone thinks that they're lying to them, like clients or interior designers. Like, you really gotta trust your builder. And I know there's builders out there that make it really hard to trust them. But there are some builders where you need to establish a rapport in order to work with them. And that's honestly one of my biggest things. I really want to establish rapport hardcore with the builders before I even work with them, because I want to know how you work. I want to know what's important to you. I want to know how you treat clients. I want to know how you treat interior designers, because I'm not going to go on a project with you and rack my brain for fucking almost 1 year, 6 months to a year plus, and have a terrible experience. I mean, because it takes up a lot of your time, so. All right, so we made it out to the project site. So this is a project with Alexander Design Build Group. I am consulting or helping consult on the exterior, some of the interior, advising a bit. We're planning on putting a board and batten. We're gonna color match a lot of the pieces. We have a monochromatic color scheme, like a color wash. And so we're trying to utilize texture to create depth for the extension of the home. Yeah, it's gonna be nice, but we gotta really look at the color and do a color analysis on all the materials that we have with the different vendors and make sure everything matches up. We can see her. So I'm just doing a Instagram post. Gotta pick out some music. It varies. Right now I'm really into like 90s grunge. So System of a Down, Management. Okay, so we're gonna wait in the car because the inspector's here and we want to be on his turn. All right, so this is what we're doing for the fence in the front. It's just standard Trex railing and the signature railing, and then we have the accessory of having this light box. We were going to do vertical, but we have vertical board and batten, so we didn't want it to look too bad. In this example, it's with glass, but we decided to just do the horizontal. Actually worked out pretty well aesthetically. Yeah, having lighting is super crucial when it comes to activating the facade of the home. So we don't want it to fall flat at night. We want it to come to life at night and get two different experiences. So when you're designing the exterior of your house, do not forget about the lighting and how people find your home. Where the heck are your house numbers going to be? Are they lit up at night? These are the samples, and this is why I'm here, because this is what the builder had sent me, Alex, and he's like, hey, this ain't my wheelhouse. This is a lot of color. So he put together some examples. Some of these are like the gutters, some of them are the railing, and this is the siding. So we're gonna go over this. I really like the pearl gray gutters because we have a gray roof. And then this is the siding right here. We're looking at maybe the quarry gray or the prairie clay. And I really think prairie clay because we originally were gonna do green sage, but that's very, very green. So we might do a gray and prairie clay, and that even rhymes. But then I have here, underneath, we have Turner Oak or Katami, because we do have little pops of matte black. Guys, this is Alexander Design Build Group. Welcome to the vlog.
How you guys, sweetie?
Good, good.
We're gonna get out.
Yeah, we're gonna get out.
Yeah. Okay.
We ready?
Yep.
Just came from Delaware.
Look, freaking running a triathlons.
Oh, are you? You're running a triathlon?
I'm doing it in September.
Oh my God.
It's a sprint one. But I'm carrying my kettlebells in the back of my truck. I was where was I at? I was at the, my guys were like, are you crazy? I said, no. Look, I got my kettlebells. I'm working out in the parking lot.
That's amazing.
We're probably going to end up putting just a small deck right across here eventually, tie this all in.
Oh, okay.
So that way, and it'll probably, this is a long-term thing. And then we're probably going to move these bushes out and bring them up forward.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I'm not 100% sure, but I do like that. I do like that box, and I do like that right there.
You know, like a small raised deck, like a front yard patio might be nice too. Just like a one level.
Like a stone patio?
Yeah, stone patio or something. It's like a little,
Like, but not like against the house, like just like and fill it up with landscaping.
a little bit. Yeah, it could almost be like a courtyard, like a front courtyard. I think that might be good because then we give, we don't pull everything up and out, so we lose the depth. But if you have this like cove where you can kind of sink in, I think that might be.
The only thing is, like, you're gonna have to probably raise it a foot or something.
Yeah,
like that.
even 1 to 2 steps, I think. But then just keep it lower than here, because if you get high up here, you know, it kind of squishes the length of that. Yeah,
I like that.
Yeah.
So we're going to talk about colors, right?
Yeah.
I gave you a bunch of samples of colors.
Yeah.
Which one did you like?
So I like the prairie, for the siding. I like the prairie gray. It's like not the sage green one. The green was like super. I think I got it on here.
I got to be honest with you. I like the steel look.
The steel.
I liked it, but that doesn't mean it goes my way.
Right. Yeah. I mean, it could be good.
And the pearl grays.
Yeah. If we change it to pearl and do like a full pearl gray, because now I'm looking over at that house. That house looks like it's
green sage.
Green, yeah. So we might swap. If everyone's okay with that, to swap to gray. I'm a fan of it. Okay.
I don't think. So, do you want to walk inside, just see the flow, so that we can?
I definitely would love that.
What I like about this, high ceilings for the garage.
Yeah.
We're gonna get a door. We didn't put the door in here yet. The door is gonna be here.
Okay.
What's his name? Carlos is doing the stairs here.
Oh, nice.
That guy's a busy guy.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry about the step up.
Oh, no, it's all right.
So what I did here, I changed the kitchen. So eventually, originally we had the wall here, and we had the washer and dryer in here, and we had cabinets on that side.
Yeah.
I just pushed the wall here, and we set the pantry and the fridge in this cubby hole.
Oh, perfect.
So that allowed me to bring my countertop from here to here without anything blocking.
Yeah.
Right. So this was a straight wall. You could use wall-based cabinets.
Yeah. And that's really nice with that.
Yeah, you get to see the neighbors.
Right. Yeah.
But
we definitely got to do gray.
And then there's an island here. I'm going to center that fireplace there with the TV.
Yep.
So that wall is 16 feet long. So I definitely want to do like a 5-foot or 6-foot fireplace.
Yeah.
So it makes it long.
Yes.
Right there. And we are going to
visually.
They loved actually the color that what was that?
Rum and clay. Yeah. I think I forgot what the exact color was. I think I might have it.
You have it in there. I forgot the name of it.
But yeah, that Portola paints Roman clay in that really dark black color.
So what's neat about it is that I did talk to Carlos. So we're gonna keep this wall open. So this wall will be here with a closet.
Okay.
And then we're gonna keep this all open.
Yeah.
And I threw a skylight in here to bring in some natural light.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be really nice.
So now if we do a dark background here, clay,
yeah,
the Roman clay,
yeah.
If we do a dark background here,
yeah,
then the skylight will give it. It'll show. Yeah.
Yes.
So even if it's a dark paint, we have natural light coming in here.
Yeah.
So.
Oh my God, I love that. Right, this is the look. So Did you talk to them about niching out some of these probably or not?
I'm not sure if we're going to do each. We might do a like a floating bookshelf or
okay,
something. I'm not sure right now
Okay.
what we're going to do.
Yeah.
But this is the look, the long, just like you have here, the real long fireplace with the TV above there.
Yeah, see that like just blends in. So the Portola paint, rolled clay, and the color fade to black.
So what's interesting is that this will be more centered.
Yeah.
And so I don't know how much room you're really going to have on each side.
Yeah, yeah.
So at this moment, they might just have a picture of me or Shoe Shell Mag.
Oh yeah.
So social mag,
Yeah.
some kettlebells.
Yeah, you could always add like a. They have this stacked shelving, which doesn't need to be built in.
Okay.
But yeah, that was just an option. But centering that over there,
Right.
and then having this is really really pretty.
Eventually, we're going to break a hole into here, and this is the height of the floor on that room.
Okay.
So eventually, if they ever want to, if this becomes a big family,
yeah.
then what they can do is you can just keep the door open, and they can go in and out from that house to this house.
Yeah, I love
So this
that.
is considered an in-law suite. So if the parents come here,
Yeah.
or if the family grows and they want to make
It's
it
like
a big,
multi-generational.
that's correct.
Yeah.
So if they don't, then you can lock this door and you can rent, or you can share this property. Patricio, this is Amanda.
Hi.
Have you ever met each other?
I don't believe so. Yeah.
And then that's Brian. Brian's Patricio. Patricio's phenomenal finisher. He does all my finishes. He's been with me
Yeah.
since '94.
Yeah, I've heard about you here and there with Alex. Yeah. Very nice to meet you. Yeah, yeah.
OSHA certified. The stairway is nice to bring everybody together.
Mm-hmm.
I brought that skylight in here to open up the lighting.
That was super smart. When did you think about that?
When I was placing them,
Oh, really?
I was like, hey, wouldn't it be better over here? You'll see that this center line goes set almost exactly down to that center line, where that's a door as well. It'll be a balcony eventually. I mean, a walkout patio, small balcony. What I love about this place, great for Saturday morning, no one's here, you can read a book.
Yeah.
And eventually, you see how these cedars are here? We're gonna add a little bit of natural foliage up here so that it blocks some of the sound
Yeah.
and get some privacy. But this is a great place for, the young generation to do laptop work,
Yeah.
drink your coffee, and just enjoy the morning. So I want to make these two columns bigger. We're good on that, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna probably put Versatex 8x8, 8x8 wrap
Yeah.
over here. So I'm gonna bring it in towards the house, and the rest of this is gonna be a Trex signature or Transcend, the aluminum rail.
Okay.
That's gonna go horizontally.
Yep. What's the finish again?
I think we're gonna do Versatex Canvas series.
What color?
I don't know. Well, that's going to be Amanda's going to be.
Yeah.
Depends on what we do with the siding. It's going to affect the color of the ceiling in here for the canvas.
Yeah. With gray, we have some black accents, but I think it's going to be Turner Oak or the Katami, the black.
I like that black one.
Yeah, the black one's nice.
Love that one.
And it has some gray in it too,
Yep.
so it might be good.
So this room is smaller. It's longer, so you can put a desk in here. You can do quite a bit. It has a walk-in closet, but this is exactly the same as the front. It has 2 windows and a door. When we finalize the rear yard and put a deck on the back, we're going to also put it on stilts so that they can have a small walkout in the back.
Oh, okay.
And so there is a door, and you're going to be able to sit out here. It's just maybe a 6x6,
Okay.
and you can sit down and just enjoy the backyard. The backyard is not too bad. I mean, you're gonna have to do some fencing back there, but
Yeah.
at least you have good crosswind. It's open. You have that long, elongated view.
Yeah.
So this will also be hardwood, and the hardwood will go this way.
Okay.
So that being said, you have this nice
Front to back.
front to back,
Yeah.
almost like they call it a shotgun houses, and you know what
Yeah,
that
in
is?
the south.
In
Yeah.
the south.
Yeah, yeah.
So you have good crosswind, good air.
Yeah, that's true.
right.
Here with Alex Tobing, one of the builders that I love to work with. I'm almost exclusive with Alex in building, preferably, and he's been awesome, taught me a lot, and I've literally loved working on every project that I have with him. He is the owner of Alexander Design Build Group, and is running this project right now that I'm helping consult on for the exterior finishes.
This is the only available colors that they have for gutters. So I'm stuck with gutter color if we are going to make the gutter color, and these are the colors that we have for the LP siding, smart siding. So I actually liked. Okay, kitty cat. What do you think?
Let's see. All right, so let's see here. You had this one picked out.
I actually like this.
This darker one.
Because I was going to go with this. I think that I was going with that, but I don't think that works now. Or this one.
I do like the bronze.
Dark. So I tried it, but I think it's just too much dark.
Yeah, we don't have any depth with this, because this bronze kind of.
Well, that's musket brown now.
That's gonna look so nice.
I like that.
Yeah, that's gonna look pretty as.
That's
pretty as hell.
That's the gutter.
And the play between the bronze and the black with the roof, that's depth. And that's just.
Let me do this a little bit like that. Do you mind?
Yeah, go for it. Yeah. It says dark bronze on sable brown.
Here's your post. You're looking from the side view, right? Here's the rest of the house.
Yeah.
Here's the car garage. All right. So this is the angle we have here. What I did was, and I'm going to put a fascia board like that,
Okay.
so you won't see the gutters.
Okay.
Right? And so then here's your deck material on top. So this needs to have a gutter, this whole piece, and then I'm going to have a corner piece here that goes down the side of the house. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then you see the beam there. So then you have the beam across here, and then you have this whole big look like here, and then here's the roof. So what happens is this and this and this, I've got to select the colors for all that.
Okay.
Right, just like a typical 1x4. So the window is white and there's a little white trim.
Yeah.
But then I'm gonna wrap that 1x4 with the siding color.
And whatever you're not using, so the wrap is going to be dark bronze, goes all the way around.
I know about this too, right?
That, yeah, definitely dark bronze.
Dark bronze, and then this right here, the gutter board is dark bronze.
Yeah.
But then the thing is.
All right, so we finished up. It actually was just in time because it started to sprinkle and now it's raining. But I'm really glad that Alex hopped on the vlog. He's normally really camera shy, but I mean, he really stole the show. So Alex, shout out, you did awesome. Yeah, the picking out the finishes got a little crazy, so I need to sit on it a little bit. You know, normally I can pick things out like super quick, but we have this depth effect and we're using a lot of texture, so I really gotta sit with it before we make a decision. So I'm gonna do that. And then that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to follow along for more, subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of interior design stuff going on, so see you back here soon.